Welcome to our channel, the best DJ controllers of 2025. From innovative jog wheels to AI-assisted mix features, I've rounded up controllers that elevate bedroom beats and headline performances alike. Stick around to see which model tops the list, how they feel under the fingertips, and why they're worth your investment. Links in the description down below today. Number 5. The Numark Mixstream Pro Plus DJ controller is a game changer for modern DJs who value portability, versatility, and cutting-edge features. Designed as a true standalone unit, it lets you mix on the go without a laptop thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, speakers, and Engine DJ OS. Its 7-pouce high-resolution touchscreen is intuitive and bright, allowing precise control over tracks and FX. With support for streaming platforms like Amazon Music Unlimited, Tidal, Beatport, SoundCloud Go Plus, and more, you get instant access to over 100 million tracks. No downloads necessary. The two 6-pouce jog wheels feel responsive and professional, while the 3-band EQ and dynamic FX section deliver tight control over your mix. Integration with Serato DJ and Virtual DJ ensures it works seamlessly with your favorite software if needed. The standout feature? Standalone stem separation. You can isolate vocals, drums, bass, and melody directly on the controller, previously only possible with a computer. Just pre-render your tracks via Engine DJ Desktop and import them for full performance freedom. Onboard speakers, Bluetooth audio input, and full lighting control via Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, or DMX make it perfect for pop-up gigs or home practice sessions. Multiple input-output options, including XLR and RCA, add flexibility for professional setups. At just over 8 ohms, the Mixstream Pro Plus is portable, yet packed with pro-level functionality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DJ, this controller is incredibly powerful, making it a top pick for 2025. Number 4. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 is a powerhouse standalone DJ controller tailored for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike. Boasting 4-deck capability, built-in speakers, and Engine DJ OS, it allows for completely laptop-free performances. Just load your tracks via USB or SD card, and you're ready to mix anywhere. Its 7-inch touchscreen is smooth and intuitive, making browsing, loading, and manipulating tracks seamless. The integration with top streaming services, including Amazon Music, Apple Music, Tidal, Beatport, and SoundCloud Go Plus, means you'll never be short on music, even for last-minute requests. It's also fully compatible with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ, offering a true 1-1-1 hardware-software experience with complete control over FX, EQ, and multi-deck waveform displays. One of its standout features is standalone stem separation, allowing DJs to isolate vocals, drums, bass, and melody live, without needing a laptop, a major leap in performance flexibility. Simply pre-process your tracks in Engine DJ Desktop and drop them onto your controller. The SC Live 4 includes professional-grade connectivity options, from balanced XLR and RCA outputs to dual mic inputs and Bluetooth audio. The onboard speakers deliver surprising clarity, making it ideal for mobile gigs, home sessions, or impromptu live streams. The controller also features enhanced lighting control for DMX, Philips Hue, and Nanoleaf, syncing your visuals with your mix effortlessly. At 13.6 lbs, it's still fairly portable for such a feature-rich unit. Overall, the SC Live 4 is a top-tier, all-in-one solution that redefines standalone DJing in 2025. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX10 is a high-performance 4-deck DJ controller designed for pros who demand precision, versatility, and powerful creative tools. Featuring two 8-inch jog wheels, this controller delivers a tactile and responsive mixing experience that feels natural and professional. With track separation technology, the DDJ-FLX10 allows DJs to isolate vocals, drums, and instruments directly from any track without pre-processing, unlocking live remixing and mashup possibilities like never before. This cutting-edge feature gives you the freedom to reimagine tracks on the fly, making each set truly unique. The 16 performance pads are ultra-responsive and offer dynamic control over hot cues, loops, samples, and pad FX, empowering DJs to elevate their sets with creativity and flair. Compatibility with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ Pro ensures seamless integration into any setup. The addition of Rekordbox lighting mode further enhances your performance by syncing music with DMX lighting effects effortlessly. Despite its professional-grade build and features, the DDJ-FLX10 is lightweight at just 1 pound, surprisingly portable for its size and capabilities. Measuring 15.8 by 28.2 tier 2.9 inches, it fits comfortably into most DJ booths and home studios. User feedback highlights its exceptional build quality and intuitive layout. As one enthusiastic reviewer noted, "Simplemente sensacional. Este es el controlador número 1." Whether you're spinning in clubs or crafting sets at home, the Pioneer DDJ-FLX10 offers unmatched performance and innovation. A solid investment for any serious DJ. Number 2. The Rane Performer 4-channel motorized DJ controller is a powerhouse for DJs seeking professional-grade precision, creative control, and seamless software integration. Featuring 7-inch motorized high-torque aluminum platters with magnetic acrylic discs and built-in displays, this controller delivers a true vinyl feel while keeping essential song data and waveforms right in view. The OLED pad mode displays and intuitive layout add both visual clarity and performance versatility. Designed to maximize Serato DJ Pro's potential, included with the controller, the Performer features advanced stem controls including stem split, stem level, and instant acapella instrumental buttons empowering DJs to isolate or manipulate track elements live. The integration with Apple Music means access to over 100 million tracks instantly, eliminating the need for endless crate digging or file preparation. The mixer section is a standout, with precision feel volume faders and the ultra-smooth Mag 4 crossfader allowing for tight cuts and fluid transitions. Add in 29 customizable paddle FX, 4 knob-controlled channel FX, and 16 performance pads, and you've got an expressive toolset that encourages innovation. Connectivity is equally robust with multiple outputs: XLR, 140, RCA, dual mic inputs, DEC inputs, and both 1/4 and 1/8 headphone jacks. Built with Rane's legendary metal construction, this unit is durable, portable, and road-ready. Users praise its performance, intuitive interface, and manageable size. Whether you're a turntablist, battle DJ, or open-format performer, the Rane Performer offers unmatched control and creativity. Number 1. The Denon DJ Prime 4 Plus is a flagship 4-channel standalone DJ controller that redefines all-in-one performance with unmatched power, flexibility, and intuitive features. With its 10.1 adjustable touchscreen, 10% larger jog wheels, and a premium FX suite, the Prime 4 Plus is built for DJs who demand professional-grade control, whether in the booth or on the go. One of its standout features is standalone stem separation, which allows you to isolate vocals, bass, melody, and drums on each deck using pre-rendered tracks from Engine DJ Desktop. This function opens endless possibilities for live mashups and remixes without needing a laptop. Streaming is seamless thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity and integration with services like Amazon Music Unlimited, Tidal, Beatport, SoundCloud Go Plus, and more. The drop sampler is a welcome addition, letting you trigger up to 16 samples, perfect for adding FX, risers, or one-shots to energize your mix. Its 25+ main FX, Touch FX XY pad, and 4 sweep FX give you complete creative control. Connectivity is top tier, with XLR outputs for main, booth, and zone, dual mic inputs with EQ and FX, and multiple USB SD SATA ports for computer-free performances. It also supports Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ in controller mode. License required. Users praise it as the best of the best, noting its smooth workflow, powerful features, and rich sound quality. Minor notes: stem use requires prior analysis on PC, and standalone controller modes can't be run simultaneously. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best DJ controllers 2025. Whether you're just starting out or rocking packed venues, there's something here to level up your performance. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment with your favorite controller. Catch you in the next mix.